If you're watching this, chances are your homeowner's policy with American National is being non-renewed. First off, I get it. That's frustrating, but here's the good news. We're here to help make finding a new policy simple, fast, and stress-free. Hi, Tia here, and at Trailstone, we work with more than 40 top rated insurance carriers to find the best coverage for your home at a price that fits your budget. We've assisted many homeowners in similar situations, and today I'll walk you through what's happening, how we can help, and what your next steps are. American National is exiting the homeowners insurance market in multiple states, including Colorado, due to ongoing losses. Factors like inflation, increased claims, and competitive market conditions have led to this decision. So, in a formal statement, the company's spokesperson elaborated on the reasons behind this decision. Quote, "This action is driven by significant and persistent profitability issues in the homeowners insurance market," citing, quote, "inflationary pressures driving up costs, increasing claims frequency, and competitive market conditions as some of the key factors contributing to their financial struggles." So the company anticipates these challenges to continue in the future, and impacted clients will receive a pre-non-renewal letter with more information, followed by a formal non-renewal notice following all regulatory requirements, all said by Scott Campbell, the Chief Client Experience and Corporate Comms Officer at American National. So if you're being affected by this decision, we know it's frustrating and actually really concerning, but here's the thing. You still have options, and that's where we come in. Trailstone isn't tied to just one insurance company. We partner with multiple carriers, which means we can shop around for the best fit for you. Our process is quick, transparent, and designed to save you time and money. Plus, we're not just about policies, we're about people. We care about your peace of mind. So here's how it works. Call us or fill out a quick form on our website. Share your current policy details. It takes just a couple of minutes. And then we'll match you with options that fit your needs and budget. It's that easy. You'll have a new policy in place before you know it, and we'll handle all of the heavy lifting. Our goal is to make this process as smooth as possible for you. So don't wait. Give us a call or visit trailstoneinsurance.com. We'll take care of the rest, and you'll be back to focusing on what matters most, your home and your family.